talking about languages. Yeah, not languages on the surface like we learn the grammatical rules of language, then we practice each other. We are, for example, I'm amazed of the Chinese of Kak Nelly, I'm amazed of the Italians of Kak Eci. But deeper than that, for example, language is combined with symbols. When you chit chat on online messengers, you put symbols like emoticons. It's including in analysis, linguistics analysis. So I'm fascinated with these issues. Because of that, not take books. I do not, as far as I'm concerned, I do not like books. Take books talking about languages. I prefer journals, since journals is the newest and the latest studies where they conducted on their linguistics issues. In terms of these three types of book, I prefer journals. Okay, I do not call it book, journals. Yeah, of this course of linguistics. That's all.
You said
Yes.
linguistic.